当时的那个科沁沙地土地沙化也严重，基本是没有什么植物。
现在可不一样了，现在各种各样的蘑菇植被恢复得好。
要让更多的人通过我的影像知道这个家乡变化。看到这个沙子了吗？我们还能看到沙子的足迹啊，在10年前就全是这样的，啥也没有这上面。
Hua Weiguang, a retired teacher from Tongliu, Inner Mongolia, is a photography enthusiast. The Horchin Sandyland, which spans 3 provinces and is the largest sandyland in China, is located here. A decade ago, he noticed that people were planting trees in Horchin and started to take photos of them. His photos are evidence of the remarkable transformation of the land.
13年开始，1年1张，1年1张，这就是定点。我的定点位几乎就在这块，就这块拍1张。那拿什么做地标呢？就是那个高速公路的那个绿色那个牌子，然后整个就拍这一块。10年以前这儿就是沙地，没有什么植被，这10年以后就是现在的变化了，就是这个样子。
Over the past decade, he has run through 3 cameras and 2 cars and has produced nearly 1 terabyte of photos. His photography has captured a variety of scenes, from surging sandstorms to budding tree saplings, as well as the people who have valiantly contributed to the fight against desertification. Chao Kutu heads the forestry station at Zouyi Huqi of Horchin. He and Hua got to know each other while planting trees.
如果要没有这些原始照片，就别人看了根本是不可能的。
Chao devoted half of his life to desertification forestation.
工作最忙的时候，早上4点就出发，完了干1天活，晚上回家，有时候到家是10点多。我们就没有礼拜日、礼拜六，就是一直工作。
There was no way to avoid the brutal summer heat. Workers had to lie down on the ground or curl up in the narrow shade of their cars to cool off. They also had to eat their lunch amid the blowing sands, taking in the grit with their food.
我说那你们中暑怎么办呢？他说怎么办呢？有的我们带了藿香正气水，吃了点药，下去喝一点水，然后缓解了，继续还得干呢。
那时候确实挺艰难，但是我个人感觉吧，没有这样的过程，你就没有这么大的一个成绩。我们要是不糊弄他，他也不糊弄你；你要是糊弄他，系统都在，他也不跟你活。他要是你认真对待他，他也认真对待你。你为了让他活，他就跟你活。
Chao keeps many different kinds of hats in his office. For the workers fighting desertification, hats, scarves, and goggles are basic necessities to protect them from the wind and sand.
因为风反而有沙尘暴啊，他们要把自己捂得严严实实的，要不然呢嘴里边全是沙子。
Hundreds of workers would stay amongst the dunes when sandstorms hit, like steadfast soldiers protecting the tree's saplings.
2015年的一次沙尘暴，给我印象也很深，也是我从家里出去，那沙尘暴刮的，我寻思不能有干活，结果我一到那儿，别说我拍摄者，就我看到那些干活的，我自己也震撼了。我说这天怎么还能有干活的？什么都看不着，能见度非常低呀，那满天的黄沙呀，戴着口罩，戴着墨镜，里是戴着围巾，在那儿挖坑的、爆苗的，好不热闹，都在里边干。中午呢，我们那天我拍了一组片子，印象我特别深刻的是。
As the planted trees survived and thrived, everyone became attached to the land.
现在我总想来到这片地来看一看，看一看这里的变化，拍一拍照片，因为现在植树的人逐渐在减少嘛，基本治理都差不多了。
There was sand on both sides and no vegetation at all. If you want to see sand now, it's not easy to find.
我们栽树之前蘑菇历史很少，现在可不一样了，现在各种各样的蘑菇。 植被好了以后，恢复好了以后，才有这样的一个蘑菇类。菌类多了，那就说明我们这就是植被恢复的好。这是也是一个见证者。
With the improvement of the environment, not only are the plants rejuvenating, but also a variety of animals have made their home here. China's forest resources have increased by over 70 million hectares in the past decade, ranking first in the world.
生态建设绿化是很重要的，你这里要有屏障，要建立绿色屏障，人们都应该生活在绿荫之中，这些是我们努力的方向。一年接着一年干，一代接着一代干，撸起袖子加油干！
我的一个远大理想在那儿建一个博物馆，这里边有他们劳动的工具，有这些个当时的图片，让更多的人记住这些人的功绩，记住这些工程。
If we, humanity, do not fail nature, nature will not fail us. Countless people, like Chow, have devoted themselves to creating a green barrier over the yellow sandy land. Through Hua's photos, the world is able to witness one of the greatest ecological miracles that China has ever achieved.